Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix PrizePicks deposit not showing. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and go to prizepicks.com. After that, you will be redirected to this type of page. The first and most basic thing people get wrong is their credit or debit card details. Make sure that the card details are set correctly and there is no problem with that. After that, check if your location or region has PrizePicks. What I mean is, check if it is available at your location. You can check the location's PrizePicks is currently available from here, so make sure you are in the correct location. You can also try checking if your account limit is not exceeded. Since PrizePicks has a certain limit, if you exceed your limit, you may encounter this kind of problem. It is also essential that your current payment method is not associated with another account because it is against the PrizePicks guidelines, and you can see it is written that PrizePicks will not accept any deposits in which the card is connected to another account. Deposits associated with another account will be rejected. The funds will be returned to your bank account once they go unclaimed. The time frame to reclaim funds varies for each bank. And that's how you can fix PrizePicks deposit not showing. Hope you like the video. Thanks.